Do you want to create your cinematic black tone? If yes, then watch this video till end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Megapixel Beast. Today we are going to see how we can create our cinematic black tone effect for photos. For that you need a Lightroom application. It is available on Play Store. Here I have clicked various ironwork photos and I will add this preset link in the description. You can download it from there. So you have to watch this video till end and you will get password in video itself. So without wasting time, let's get started. I will going to edit these photos. Starting with the basic settings, I am lowering some exposure and then decreasing contrast in this photo. For the balance, I am decreasing whites and increasing blacks, so it will create fade effect in our photo. Now let's move on the curve. Here is the main part of our color grading. I am applying S curve to the photo. Before that, you need to understand what is the curve means. So the curve is having the three parts: highlights, midtone and shadows. You can adjust these three settings and create effect in your photo. If you don't know how to set curve, then you can just apply the settings which I am showing here. You can take screenshot for your reference. So the next part is about the temperature. So I am increasing temperature and lowering some tint. After that I am adding some vibrance to this photo. Is about HSL. HSL is all about hue, saturation and luminance. So you can take screenshot of these settings for various colors and apply it yourself. So I am adjusting as per with color presents in my photo. I am lowering saturation of green and blue and bumping up saturation of red and orange. For creating black tone, we have to remove many colors from the images. It can be achieved by lowering saturation and luminance. So the final result will be a black effect in your photo. Here I am adjusting some sharpness of this photo. I am using sharpness masking so the photo will be sharp on this specific area. Then I am adding color noise reduction for removing color noise in photo. I am doing some basic adjustment for getting an accurate tone for my photo. So now photo looks much better than previous one. So for getting a color accuracy, you have to try yourself in the curve settings. Then move to the selective editing. Our primary subject is at the middle, so I am adding circular selection tool and inverting it. So it will create a depth effect in photo. You can lower down exposure by inverting circular selection tool. The primary focus will be at the center, so I am adding some exposure and saturation by brushing. Finally, I am cropping this image from both sides and it is following a rule of third. At last I am exporting and saving it for the gallery. Here is the final results. If you want these presets, then you can download it from description link. If you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.